Seriously, what happened in the mailroom? She got crazy. Just got back from yoga. I'm ready to start my day.
We're back in Chula Vista at this condo. Some of you guys may recognize it from earlier last week. We're doing the home inspection right now. I know one of the things that our client is super excited about is this little peaceful view that she has off her balcony.
Just got to the office. We're doing some printing. John's fixing some computer issues. We're getting ready for our 2 o'clock appointment.
It's wide open for, I want to have a Labrador, so I don't care if she's a pool.
We're viewing a beautiful home in PB area. This is a sexy master ensuite. Showing a client this property. It's about to list in Pacific Beach.